Can I just say that I'm a little disappointed? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenica Elizabeth and I am a petite fashion and lifestyle content creator. So today we are doing another unboxing first impression type of video. We are unboxing the cheapest French luxury bag that you can get. It's under $100. I did wait a good amount of time to get this package just because it's back ordered. So I guess this is super viral and a lot of people want to get their hands on this. I also got the attachment from Amazon, the attachment that would supposedly make it a crossbody bag. I got both of them so you guys don't have to. So I ordered this around last week of December and it was just shipped last week, January 26th, I believe. So it took like 4 weeks or so to get this collar. Since I don't have my scissors again, we are using my keys. This is what the box looks like. Inside the paper, I guess, my receipt, and then the bag. Can I just say that I'm a little disappointed because on the other unboxing videos that I watch, they do get the Longchamp paper bag. Like it's enveloped in a Longchamp paper bag, like a green one. It's just wrapped around a Bloomingdale's. Okay, so this is the bag. This is the bag and it is $95. Oh, inside comes with this Longchamp thing. And then this is what's inside. Has a gold hardware. The unboxing isn't as eventful as I think it would be. Okay, so first impression, the bag is cute. I am just not super fond of how it was packaged and sent to me. I really thought I would get that luxury feel when I'm unboxing this. So I didn't. It was just wrapped in a Bloomingdale's paper, but that's fine. The top handle is in the back. And then there's this Longchamp logo right there. Then another Longchamp logo at the back. Just open it like so, and then there's the bag in all its glory. So this is the Longchamp Pliage mini pouch. The width is 6.7, the height is 4.3 inches, and then the diameter is 2.2 inches. It's made out of canvas and then leather top handle and this thing. Now let's see if this basic bag can be super chic like what the people in the internet says with the help of the attachment thingy. Okay, so this is the attachment thingy. Let's just open it. I would link this in my bio so you guys can get it if you want it. The attachment set comes with these. And then the strap itself. In terms of color, the attachment has lighter leather than the Longchamp leather, but it's lighter but like not so much, if you know what I mean. Like it's not super obvious when you're far away or something, but if you are gonna take a close look, you would see that the attachment has a lighter shade to it. This triangle metal right here, it goes through the crevice. So this is the crevice of the strap, right? It's like a puzzle. Just put it right there. And then the thing, you fold it like so. Then the rest you would wrap around. So buckle the thing inside the hole and there it goes. So we are just putting the strap on. So this is the bag with the strap on. Like when you're running an errands, this is a perfect bag. So chic, or it can be a handbag. Let's remove the strap so you guys can see how it looks like. Okay, let's do a fit test on the Longchamp Pliage mini pouch. Okay, so I do have an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ooh, and it fits. So just the keys, card case, hand sanitizer, a chapstick, and a hand cream. This is all of them in there, and there's still some more space in there, like if you want to put lip gloss or you want to put mascara in, I think it would still fit. Let's see if it will close. Let's see if it would button. This is what it looks like with the stuff inside. Okay, the bag is super cute. Like, it does look really small, but it fits a lot. It's super chic, and if you purchase the attachment, you can wear it different ways. So as a top handle bag or as a crossbody bag. For me personally, I would just use this to run errands. If I wanted to bring just a couple of things and then I'm running an errand, this would be something that I would wear. I feel like I'm underwhelmed. Like, it was super hyped and for some reason I'm super underwhelmed. It's super cute, I'll tell you that. It was hyped too much and I was just underwhelmed when I got it. This is supposed to last you a good amount of time, so I am counting on that. If you guys want me to review a particular item or unbox a particular item, let me know in the comments down below. And also, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!